Today we're going to take a look at the MOFT Dynamic Folio Case, which is a case that's made specifically for the iPad Pro 11-inch version. And we are going to unbox it along with this optional Apple Pencil holder that works with this case and see how it works, see what we get, and see how it works with my iPad. So let's unbox it. It always gives me an opportunity to use my knife. If you guys are interested in this knife, I'll put a link to my video review for it in the description below. All right, let's open this up. I've got the gray version. That's all that's in there. Let's go ahead and open this as well. Pull this out. That's metal, I think. Maybe not. Just made kind of a metallic sound. Maybe that is metal. Let's see. Let me get a magnet. Yeah, that's definitely metal. All right, so what's inside this? Oh, that's kind of cool. It shows us all the ways that we can use this particular case for the iPad. It's got quite a few different ways to use it. Tons of ways, in fact. Look at that. We're going to take a look at that here in a second. So this is the case. It's got a nice, soft, kind of a vinyl texture. Let's see if we can get close. You can see that it has a little bit of, I don't know what you want to call it, grain. It's kind of nice. And it's got all these lines here, which is how it can be folded. We open it up, it's black on the inside. And on the back, there is a plastic holder for the iPad. And on the back of the case itself, we have the gray material again. And then this is magnetic, which will show how that works. And there's a cutout for your camera on the iPad. And then this, I am guessing, fits right here. Yep, it's magnetic. It's kind of nice. It doesn't have a really strong magnet though. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere. If I shake it, it's not going to come off, but I can easily remove it. I wish it was a little stronger of a magnetic hold, but I suppose it doesn't need to be because the iPad's going to sit right here and hold it in as well. So let's get the iPad and the Apple Pencil, which I've got right here, and we're going to see how that fits together. All right, here's my iPad. You can see it's 11-inch iPad, and it fits. Does it fit?
Actually, no, it didn't fit because MOFT accidentally sent me the wrong version of their folio. The wires got crossed someplace when we were talking about samples, and they sent me one for a newer iPad. Mine's a couple years old, so it didn't quite fit. So they were very kind enough to send me another one, and this one does fit, but you will notice in the rest of the video that the color is different. Instead of the gray, they sent me the black version. A little disappointed, but hey, it's still a MOFT case, and we're going to take a look at all the features. So let's continue.
All right, let's give this another shot. And let's put my iPad in the holder. It should snap right in place and line up correctly this time, which it does. There we go. And there is a cutout that lines up perfectly for the camera. And when you put the Apple Pencil in the slot, it still charges because it connects to the side of the iPad. And you can see that the cover kind of sticks out a little bit, which gives you a place to pull it to open it. So that works okay. There isn't a strap that goes around the back of the iPad to the front to keep that cover secured though. All right, let's see what all this cover can do as far as being able to fold in different orientations. The packaging does show you different ways to do it, and the way it works is that little circle right there will mate up with the circle in the back, and it's magnetic. So you open it up, and then you just match them together. So watch me do that right now. You can see I just fold it, and they click right together. And that is one way that you can use it. It stands up like you see right there, which makes it great when you're using it with another monitor or with a keyboard. Or you can flip it over the other way, which is nice. And in this orientation, you can actually do something pretty cool. You can rest another phone above the iPad. So here I've got my iPhone, and I'm just going to set it here at the top. And so it's like you got two screens. You can do two things at once, which is kind of cool. So this orientation makes it pretty cool if you want to get some actual work done. You can pair it with another keyboard. This is a Keychron keyboard. I've got a review of it, which I'll put the link in the description below. It's a very nice travel keyboard that works perfectly with an iPad or your iPhone. And you can fold the bottom part up, and it will let you rest the iPad on a flat surface just like you see there. And you can slide that cover underneath that magnetic flap. And when you do that, then it gives you the ability to use the iPad in a portrait orientation. So as you can see, this MOFT Folio Case is kind of origami inspired. And it even has a really cool feature that you can use it to rest it on your knee when your legs are crossed when you're sitting down. And I like this. It's great at airports. So as you can see, it gives you a really comfortable no hand way to hold the iPad, and you can even use the pencil if you want to. So those are just a few of the ways that you can fold the MOFT Folio Case. There are a lot of other ones that are demonstrated in the packaging that comes with this folio, but those are the main ones that I would use and probably most people would use. I really like this case. I think it's made really well. I do wish that it had a strap that wrapped from the back to the front. It's just something that I wish it had. Uh, is it necessary? No, but that's something that I personally would like because the other case that I was using had it. The only other thing that I can think of, actually, I can't think of anything else. I really like it. I like that it doesn't have like a microfiber interior because I've got a cat and my cat hair would stick to it because I've got another cover that it does that with. And this one, I don't have that problem. I have noticed this. When it is open and the cover is flipped around to the back, sometimes these edges kind of, well, you can't really see it. They're kind of up like that, and it kind of irritates me. Yes, I am super picky. I mean, you could see that, like kind of like that, how it's kind of open. I know it's nothing, first world problems, right? But other than that, I mean, I love MOFT products, and this is another winner in my book. Is this a cover that you would use for your iPad, and which orientation would you use the most? I'm going to love resting it on my knee like I showed you that last way the next time I have a trip to the airport because I know I'll use it that way. And just day to day, I'll probably use it here at my desk, up in this orientation where I can easily fold it like this, place it like this, and now it will be a second monitor for my MacBook. So let me know, is this a case for you? Would you buy it for your iPad? If you're interested, I'll have links in the description below. And I hope this was useful for you. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Tell me about it in the comments. And as always, I hope you have a great day.